How do you know the back to school honeymoon is over? I'm going to tell you 5 ways to tell. First, your students get stuck in their comfort zone. When your students only choose the easiest task on a choice board or they stick to what feels safe. This means they've settled in and now it's time to push them outside of their comfort zones. Number two, when one size no longer fits all. At the beginning of the school year, everyone seems engaged by the same activities. But now you'll start to see that some students are bored while others are overwhelmed. Number three, engagement starts to fizzle out. Are you starting to notice those blank stares or students putting their heads down on their desks? Honey, this is a clear sign that the honeymoon is over and your usual strategies will not get the same results. It is time to switch gears. Throw in some higher order questions for those who are ready and some scaffolded prompts for those who need a little more support. Keep them thinking and keep them moving. Now, here's the fourth way that you will know the back to school honeymoon is over. Students will start to say, I already know this. When you hear them start saying, I already know this, that is a major red flag. And it's time to differentiate by offering some more challenging opportunities. Consider enrichment activities or extension tasks that allow students to dive deeper while others continue to master the basics. Don't let the early finishers coast. Challenge them to level up. And now, our fifth way to tell that the back to school honeymoon is over because those behavior issues are going to start to arise. Behavior issues creeping up is the number one sign that students are bored or frustrated. Now you want to use some flexible grouping to shake things up. Pair them up with different classmates. Use interest-based groups or mix them by ability levels to keep the engagement high and behavior on point. I've given you 5 ways to know that the back to school honeymoon is over. My name is Dr. Marquita Blades. Follow me for more powerful teaching strategies.